Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at two fantastic Forex opportunities. Now just yesterday I showed Barry Thornton, who has been earning over $1 million using online Forex trading, and I started out with Barry and he has contributed to many courses that are offered by Expert Forex, and I showed him our trading results and he has been totally blown away. And his words were, if participants in the Forex market aren't making these kind of results, then they only have themselves to blame. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you how you can achieve these fantastic results that I showed Barry Thornton. Okay, so let's start with a big chance or big opportunity number one. Now we're all in the market to make money, and this is probably the best opportunity that you will ever come across to make money in the Forex market. And why do we make money? Because the Forex market is leveraged. We have 50 to 1, 100 to 1, even some traders have 1,000 to 1. It means it multiplies the earnings that we make. So as you know, we have a service called a link to success, where you can link your own private trading account to that of a very competent, successful robot trader with a fantastic record, and that allows you to copy that trader's trades into your account and experience the same results. Now this is a fantastic opportunity, so let's have a look at it a little bit closer. So on your screen you can see the web page that supports this service, and if we scroll down you can see all the accounts that we offer. There are 50 accounts. The average return on these 50 accounts is 15% a month, the average. So there are a lot of them that have a lot more. Let's just sort this column and see what it looks like. So there's a lot, 50%, 40%, 30%. So there are a lot of really quality accounts. These accounts are all profitable accounts. So the big problem here is, how do you select the best accounts? And we've supplied you many ways of selecting the best account. For instance, you can look at the best monthly returns and so on. But what we've done is we've said, okay, regularly we will select a portfolio of best accounts, and those will be monitored over the next couple of weeks or months. And that will give you an idea of how to select accounts. And that's what I want to show you today, because this provides a fantastic opportunity for you to make mega bucks. So I'm going to scroll down to the portfolio section. And here's the portfolio section, and here's the most recent portfolio that we've supplied. But what you need to look at it is you need to click on this link here to see all of the example portfolios that we've provided. And here we are. We have provided 10 portfolios so far, and they have made 15% return over the 10 weeks or 9 weeks that we provided these portfolios. So fantastic returns. 15% is a very good return over that period. And you can see some of the portfolios had 74% return, and 22% and 29%. So some were a lot better than others. In fact, there's one portfolio that's running at a loss at the moment. Now, you need quite a bit of money to participate in these portfolios. You can see there we are. But the good news is you can use cent accounts. And when you use cent accounts, they basically divide what you need by 100. And there you can see in that portfolio you could have you only needed $80 to participate. That one $150, and so on. The most expensive one here is $510. So using cent accounts, suddenly you can participate in these kind of fantastic returns that are being generated. So these portfolios have proven how successful it is if you choose 6 accounts and stick with them. In other words, don't change them, you stick with them over the life of the portfolio, and they will provide you with a great return. And you can see how successful these accounts are. Over 86% of the accounts have been successful that we have put into these portfolios that we suggest. These portfolio examples are a fantastic service that we've created to help traders select accounts. It's not the only way to select accounts, but certainly it is a help to traders. Now, if we delve even deeper into these portfolios, we find accounts that are really good. So let's delve a bit deeper. And here we see the best accounts to date in these portfolios are, and we've just extracted, I think, 8 here. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's about 8 accounts that we've extracted, and you can see these fantastic returns. Again, 65%, 57%, 47%, 112%. That's doubling your money if you had followed this portfolio. And 26%, 15%, 17%, 36%. Really good. On average, a 46% return if you were lucky enough to have caught these particular successful accounts. So this really does help you find successful accounts. And that is why this is opportunity 1. Yeah, you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is link your account to these accounts and let successful traders trade away. And you can then make money in your sleep. Simple as that. Okay, so that is opportunity 1, a real, very good opportunity. If you miss this one, like Barry says, there's no reason why you should ever complain about not being able to make money in the Forex market. Here is the proof. Okay, now we're going to be looking at opportunity number 2. And the reason why these ladies are so serious, it is a serious thing that I'm showing you. I'm showing you ways of making a lot of money. Now, we recently started a simple grid range of EAs. The most simple one is free, and then you have generation 2 and then generation 3, and we are going to be bringing out generation 4 that will knock the socks off the previous generation. We've been trading mainly generation 2 and generation 3, and you must see the results that are coming out. So the first action for you is to come to this page and have a look at how these grid trading EAs work. There's a video there that has been viewed by 360,000 people. So we have a lot of experience. I have been trading grid trading for over 20 years, so I know a lot about grid trading, and this is the easiest way to make money in your sleep, because it's a total set and forget. Okay, at the bottom of this page there's a brief summary of the 3 versions of the grid trader, but what's important is let's go and have a look at the results that we are achieving. And here we have a portfolio of 20 accounts that are trading various strategies of the simple grid trader. And we're using mainly generation 2 and generation 3. In fact, all the 20 have now been converted to generation 3. And you can see the returns that have been experienced. In only 67 days, this portfolio of 20 accounts has generated 48% return. Now, this is a very special portfolio because it only consists of accounts that have $300 as a starting capital. So all of them have started with $300. And let's have a look at the accounts in detail. So I'm looking at the portfolio here. Here's the portfolio, and I'm going to sort it in equity, because equity takes into account your open trades. And equity is what you can withdraw out of your account right now. So you close all your trades and the broker will allow you to withdraw. So there's an account there that has more than doubled the $300 that has been deposited into the account. And then you see some other accounts that are doing extremely well. Remember, this only been trading for about 60 days, these accounts, so they're doing particularly well. And let's have a look at the ones right at the bottom. And there are only 2, and the losses are only $15 and $20. So the drawdowns at the moment on those accounts are very extremely small. All the other accounts have positive equity balances. Fantastic results. Now, this is opportunity number 2. These are purely set and forget EAs. You don't have to do a thing. The settings are provided to you. All you have to do is set the EAs up and they will trade for you. So now you have seen 2 fantastic opportunities that you can take advantage of to make considerable returns in the Forex market. Please do not let these opportunities pass you by. There will become a day when you look back at and remember this video that you've watched, and you look at the results you're getting currently in the market, and you wonder why you didn't take advantage of these 2 opportunities that have been presented to you. They are exceptional. If Barry Thornton thinks that they are exceptional, believe me, then they are highly exceptional. Now, as always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the description of the video, as well as in the first commentary of the video. As you've seen, the simple grid trader is a free trader which you can try out and learn how grid trading works, and if you like it, you can progress into generation 2, generation 3, and hopefully generation 4 in a short while. Alternatively, join the Link to Success service, link your accounts to successful accounts, and enjoy the benefits of an exceptional return. So from me, Alex Employee, cheerio. Just a reminder to join our Expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.